What is going on, guys? Today we got ourselves JBL Flip 5 versus the Emberton from Marshall. Now here's the thing I want to put out there, a disclaimer, is that it doesn't matter which one you get at the end of this video or which one you think is better. Either one, if you can get any one of these right here, it's going to be fantastic. They both make great Bluetooth speakers as a company, so quality wise you're not gonna find anything better than these two, to be honest with you. All right, so first off, let's talk about the similarity between those two. The similarity is that they both use USB-C. So if you look right here, Emberton uses USB-C on the side right here and USB-C on the Flip 5 over here. They both have battery gauge. So if I were this right here, this is the battery gauge for the Flip 5. Oh, by the way, if you go max volume, you're gonna hear that sound as say whoop. It's too loud. Here's the battery gauge right here for the Emberton. By the way, I want to turn it off to let you guys see the animation. See that animation? Now I'm going to turn it on. Did you hear that startup sound too? That's beautiful. That just sounds amazing, the way they do that guitar startup sound. Definitely Marshall got a nice sound right there, startup sound at least. Okay, so next, these guys have somehow figure out how to do some nice mesh. Okay, they both are different material. The Marshall mesh is like, this is like real metal right here, guys. Yeah, beautiful. And the back is a black mesh, the front is a silver mesh. With JBL, this mesh right here is one of those where it feels like it's a cloth mesh, but it's really not. I can't really scratch this thing, to be honest with you, like my clothes. Yeah, I don't feel like I could. And then they integrated the buttons right into the mesh right here, which is beautiful. Okay guys, so next up, I think you guys are waiting for this one. We are going to do a little sound test on this, and I've got both of these speakers hooked up, ready to go. Again, JBL is going to go first, JBL Flip 5, and then the Marshall Emberton is going to go second. Okay, so let me see here. I want to make sure that I have the Flip connected first. So let's go in here and Flip 5 selected, and here we go. Flip 5. Alright, so there you go. That's JBL Flip 5 sound test right there. I'm going to reset this song, and then I'm going to flip over to Emberton. There we go. And now, by the way, full blast on these. Okay, volume is all the way up. Here you go, Emberton sound test. Switch over to JBL. so there you have it, guys. That's the comparison between the JBL Flip 5 versus the Marshall Emberton. These two are great speakers, so doesn't matter which one you get, to be honest with you. I think you're gonna have a great set of speakers either way. All right, that's it for me. I'm out of here. Have a good one. Bye bye.